lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
more everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss more everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss more everything. Yeah, yeah. Boss more everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, let's get into quick tip number 9 for this Smart Rapper series. Let's get it. Number 9, no one likes slow technology, and that brings me to the most obvious yet most important to your music, your workflow, your computer. Nothing is gonna kill your vibe and ruin your inspiration more than a slow recording session on a computer. If I press record, it better instantly record. No 1 second delay. Now. I'm vibing right now. I'm feeling it right now. I can't wait to get this vibe out of my mind onto that beat, that creativity. And I know you know what I'm talking about, right? When you're ready to record, you're ready to record.
I'm talking about killer instinct.
Any type of latency is annoying, okay? So whether you're starting a session, oh my, especially saving a session. On my old computer, it used to be 15 seconds save time, especially with the huge sessions, all these plugins. So annoying, because I just want to save because I had a really good idea, and I'm moving to the next thing. So annoying, okay? You're moving tracks, moving instruments, adding tracks, adding plugins, adjusting plugins, running buses, anything. The speed of the computer is essential. So you having at least a decent computer, a good computer, is so important. We might be asking, Rob, how do I know how fast or good my computer needs to be for me? Now, this is the thing. The general rule is this. The more creative you are, the more powerful your computer needs to be. It's kind of like how powerful is your brain? That's how powerful your computer should be to match it, okay? Because this means that you'll be using more tracks, you'll be testing more plugins, you'll be trying more things. If you're somebody who really testing, to truly test things, that's like 5 plugins on every track, you're doing crazy stuff and you're testing things out, you need some processing power, you need some RAM, okay? Now, if you've only been making music for like 3 years, chances are that you probably don't, use much more than 2 verse tracks, an ad-lib track, and 1 voiceover track, maybe 3 for the chorus, and then you have 1 or 2 tracks for the beat that you got from YouTube. You might not even know what a beat track out is yet. That's only like 8 tracks in total for your song. You don't really need much processing power for that. But if you're somebody who gets the track outs, if you're producing on your stuff, you're adding stuff like I do to a degree, there's like 20 or 30 extra tracks on a song, it's very important that you have at least a decent computer. I'm not saying go buy a crazy computer. This computer I have, I can afford much more expensive computers. This is a $2,000 computer, and then I went and put a $500 SSD drive in it, and I also have over 100 gigs of RAM, right? But that's it. My laptop costs more than that computer, okay? And my laptop's just for portable work. But this can also run 4 36-inch screens, okay? $2,000 computer, and it came with that video card. And quick note, I only had to really upgrade my computer when I started producing, right? So I was fine on the old computer, even though it took like 15 seconds to save, because I would always be testing stuff and go crazy. But when I really started producing a ton and adding a ton more stuff and really getting way more creative with both sides, from the lyrics and the melodies to then creating the actual music element, that's when I upgraded my computer, okay? All right, what I'm gonna do for you too is, I'm just so you can see, if it's still available, I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link to the computer that I have now and other gear as well below, so that you can see what I'm working with that helps with my workflow, okay? Well, if you add everything up through this whole series, all of these videos and ideas they have for workflow, it's gonna end up giving you a workflow that actually makes you unstoppable, because there's nothing slowing down your workflow. Those moments of inspiration happen more often, and they're also, when they happen, they're not lost, right? You're more creative and you finish more songs, right? So check out the next video for the next tip. Make them little bite-sized videos for you, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut and join thousands of other artists like you. They have resources that you wouldn't have anywhere else, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Make sure you check out my new songs. I'll play one of them over here, because I'm an artist just like you, and I don't stop, all right? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Boss more everything. Whoa, yes.